Hi guys, welcome to I Review Beauty, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you're always up to date with all the videos we are uploading, and definitely put the thumbs up. In this video today we're talking about Jergens Natural Glow. As you're familiar with the brand, it's the tanning lotion. There are two types, the fair to medium type and medium to tan type. But this particular one I am going to talk to you today about is firming moisturizer, well, daily moisturizer. You don't need to go crazy and apply it twice a day, obviously, but the color is not going to come up instantly. So it would require about several days. It gives you a little like schedule what you're going to have within several days, but everyone's skin is very different, so you have to go ahead and give it a try. So the good thing about this thing is that it's supposed to be reducing the appearance of cellulite, and believe it or not, in as little as 7 days. Well, that's pretty much when you get the tan. I think that's what's actually going to reduce your cellulite, because you can't just get rid of it just by applying the moisturizer. Well, it's going to make things a little better, but still. What I really need to know, what I really need to tell you about this is that the color it will create will definitely look natural and gradual, so to say, but you definitely still need to pay attention to the elbows and the knees when you're applying this moisturizer. Just don't go crazy in those areas. Now, I also need to mention that this particular formula, it does contain fragrance, and it's not even in one of the last ingredients over here, so you do need to make sure you know that if you are avoiding skincare products with the fragrance. Well, another advantage is that this product is very, very affordable. It's about $8, up to $10. It's 7.5 ounce bottle, and it's not really a lot, so don't really think it's like too much in there, especially if you use it daily. I would say always pay attention to the way your skin feels and looks, of course, after you apply any type of product. So just avoid any type of irritation, so to say. Avoid definitely the eye contact, and definitely wash your hands after you use this product. So this is it. I think it could be a go if you're on a budget and if you want really natural looking color, and the cellulite problem will not really go away, but visually the problem areas would definitely look better because of that tanning look. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. Wishing you all the best. Don't forget to put the thumbs up. I'll see you later. Bye.